Hi. Do you know Pilsen city in Czech Republic? I just arrived here. Pilsen is a green student city and the fourth largest city of the Czech Republic. We had to take the train, but we have no tickets. A lady came to check the tickets. I told her we just arrived in this city. I was waiting for you to buy tickets. Luckily, she didn't find us. Vielen Dank. To the city center. I think we should go this way. Pilsena. It is 8 a.m. The stores are just opening. Let's find a place to have breakfast first, then go explore Pilsen. There are beautiful buildings here. There is also a market behind that church. It's finally open here. We eat something here and go. These cost 289 korona. Very good. Hunger is so bad, it shuts down your brain. Our eyes just opened a little. Cats are very cool. Hi. That green building is train station. $169 koruna. Espresso. 159 koruna. Main train station. I'm still looking for that brewery. This is a museum. Slovan Hotel. As I said, Pilsen is also a student city, especially the Faculty of Medical Sciences. So guys, I found the brewery. I want to take the interesting Pilsener tour. We'll go to brewery together and see how beer is made. Then we'll try the best Czech beer. Don't miss the next video, it's very interesting. Thank you for like and subscribe. See you in the next video.